Well, about my followers, I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today, we are doing a charging test on the Vivo IQOO 7. And I'm about to head off to work, so I only have a very short amount of time, my normal job. So we're gonna pop into the Starbucks and find out, can the Vivo IQOO 7 charge within the 15 minutes they claim from 0 to 100 with its 120 watt charger? All right, let's go in here, charge this up, and see how long it will take to charge the Vivo IQOO 7 here on Knoles Cool Stuff. This is the Vivo IQOO 7, 120 watt charger from 0 to 100 in 17 minutes. That is fast charging. Now, did it charge in the 15 minutes it claims? No, but under the right circumstances, it probably could, but who has the right circumstances in their house? All right, so my question is, do you really need a phone to charge this fast? All right, do you really want to carry a 120 watt brick charger in your bag that's heavy? All right, I'm like this. As long as it charged within 30 minutes or an hour, I'm good. Same with wireless charging. 30 minutes or an hour, I'm good. As my friend Ferris used to say,
yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
all right, so this was the Vivo IQOO 7 charging test. 120 watt charger, 17 minutes. Fantastic phone, fantastic charging rate. Now, I'm your host, Ricky Knoles. And as always, my followers, be cool.